All right, just got my new garbage can. I had to get it because the old one broke. All right. Now, what I liked about this, I'm wearing sandals, and look at this, easy to use. Now, one of the best things I like about it is that you could use the regular trash bags that my old one had, so I didn't have to buy it. Perfect size, my dog's height, if you guys can see it. Now, this can carry a lot. Now, when you're ready to go, if you want to not step on it and lock it in place, you can open in place, take the bag out, and get it out. Now, one thing that I didn't mention, I'm going to show you, underneath here, right here, there's actually the scent order. So if you want to, you could put a silica bag or maybe scent so it won't smell as awful as if it's a trash can. I like that you could step on the button. Very simple. And it's stainless on the top. And look how smooth it comes down when you step on it. This is the best thing I like about it. Now, I can't hide the bag in there. If you can, you could just hide it. But if you step on it, look how slow it goes. So you could give you time to walk to the place and dump it. So if you guys are looking for a great garbage can, this is it. Plastic on the bottom, stainless on the top.